How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are doing the lab activity. We are not starting the new chapter, we are doing the lab activity which is related to the chapter combustion and flame. We have done the three condition of combustion, and one of the condition is that air is necessary for combustion. Beta ji, in this activity you can see the three diagrams. These three diagrams are showing the three condition which we have taken. First of all, you have taken a candle, then you have kept it on the table, and you have put a glass chimney over the candle. You can see you have put the glass chimney, you have placed the glass chimney on the wooden blocks. What is the purpose of keeping the glass chimney on the wooden block? So that both the ends are open and air is available from the upper side as well as from the lower side. Now we come to the second picture, that is picture B. You have taken same, you have kept the candle on the table and you have kept the chimney directly over the candle. There is no wooden block. And in the third picture, you have kept a plate. It may be glass plate or it may be steel plate. You can take. You have kept over the chimney. These are the three conditions you have taken. Now you can see in the first picture, in A picture, the flame is bright. The flame is bright freely. It is burning in first case, and in second case you can see the flame flickers and some smoke also produce. And in third pictures you can see that the flame is goes off. It extinguishes. Why this happens? In the first picture you can see the plenty of oxygen is available, that's why the flame is burning properly from upper side as well as from the lower side. And in the case second, the oxygen is available from the upper side, not from the lower side. There is no exchange of gases takes place because the lower end is closed. And now in third case, that's why the flame flickers. In the third case, C picture, you can see you have kept a glass plate over the chimney. In that case, slowly the candle will be extinguished because there will be no oxygen available, no air available for the burning of candle. So what this activity shows, what these diagram shows, that air is necessary for the burning, air is necessary for combustion. You can do this activity at home. आप कर सकते हैं इस एक्टिविटी को घर पे. You can keep a candle on the table, or simple you can take a glass and put the candle in that glass. Fine. You will see it is the second picture that the candle is burning, not very bright, and then you have to keep the plate on the glass. Then what will you see? It will be extinguished. So you can do yourself. And in the first case, if you want to do the first case, you have to take a thing which is open from both the end. That's why, so that it will shows the availability of air from upper side as well as from the lower side. So this activity shows that air is necessary for combustion. So beta ji, you have to do this practical. You have to write this practical on the notebook, and you have to see the MCQs which is written in this lab activity, which is related to this lab activity. And on the white page you will use the pencil and you will draw the diagram, and procedure you will write on the ruled page. Procedure and observation you will write on the rule page, and result you will write on the white page. Please beta ji, read this chapter properly. We will do one more activity related to this chapter, and we will take the revision of this chapter, problem of this chapter in live class. Thank you. Complete the work.